So in this video, we're going to discuss the Microsoft Wireless Adapter versus cloud-based screen sharing solutions. For years, the Microsoft Wireless Adapter was a very popular way for schools to be able to screen share in the classroom, but Microsoft has since discontinued it. So if that was your setup, you're now deciding between buying another one or going with a cloud-based screen sharing solution. Now, after setting up screen sharing across thousands of classrooms, we've seen exactly where these adapters work and where they don't work. So in this video, we're going to do a full comparison of both, and by the end of it, you'll know exactly which one is right for your school. So let's get started. First, let's talk about how wireless adapters work. Now, before you go and buy a replacement, it's helpful to understand what these adapters are. A wireless display adapter is a small piece of hardware that plugs into the HDMI port of the TV or monitor that you want to screen share on. It lets someone show their laptop or their phone screen on that display without having to use any cables. To use one, a teacher simply opens the cast option, picks their display, and whatever is on their laptop begins showing on that big screen in the front of the room. An important thing to know is that there isn't one universal adapter. There are three main types, and each one only works with certain devices. First, you've got Chromecast, or sometimes referred to as Google Cast. This one works with Android phones, Chromebooks, and the Chrome browser. Then there's Miracast, which works with Windows and Android devices, and it connects a device straight to the display without having to go through your Wi-Fi network. And the third one is AirPlay, which only works with Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, and Macs. Microsoft's adapter was one of the most popular ones in schools, which is why losing it caused such a problem. See, a lot of districts relied on it, and now they're left figuring out what to do instead. That leaves you with two choices. You can buy more of these adapters from a different brand, or you can change how you handle screen sharing altogether. Now, let's talk about the problems with adapters. Now, going with more adapters may seem like the quick and easy fix, but it comes with a few problems that are only going to get worse as your school gets bigger. The first problem shows up as soon as more than one person needs to share, because an adapter only handles one connection at a time. This means that the teacher is sharing their screen, but as soon as a student needs to put their work up, the teacher needs to disconnect from that adapter and the student needs to connect to it. And in a classroom where 3 or 4 people might be presenting to that same screen during a single period, all that reconnecting interrupts the lesson every single time. The second problem is that no single adapter works with every device. Like we covered before, Chromecast is for Chromebooks and Android, AirPlay is Apple only, and Miracast is Windows and Android. So if you put a Chromebook and an iPad and a Windows laptop all in the same room, you don't have an adapter that can handle all three. That means you either buy a couple of different adapters for each classroom, or someone always ends up unable to connect. Now, the third problem is what happens when nobody is presenting. When no one is casting to that screen, the adapter is just going to leave the display sitting on a logo or a pairing screen. So you just end up with an expensive screen mounted on the wall, doing nothing for hours at a time, when the whole reason you bought it was to help the school communicate. The last problem is the biggest one for your IT team, because you can't manage all of these adapters from one place. You've got to have a separate dongle in every room, and there's no dashboard to be able to check in on them remotely. So when one of them stops working, someone needs to walk all the way over to that room to deal with it in person. On top of that, there's no way to control who's allowed to connect to a display. And you're paying to buy, replace, and support one of these in every room, which adds up fast across a few hundred screens. Cloud-based screen sharing. Cloud-based screen sharing gets around all of that because it runs as a software with no dongle in the HDMI port at all. The screen sharing runs through the platform itself, and any device can share to any screen with no additional hardware plugged in, and all you need is the browser on your computer or the Rise Player sharing app for iOS or Android. That same display can now screen share from a Chromebook, an iPad, a Mac, or a Windows laptop without you needing a different adapter each time. Because it runs as a software, more than one person can present without the other having to disconnect every time. A student can take over from the teacher, and then the next student can take over after that, all without having to unplug or reconnect anything. All that reconnecting from before just goes away, and sharing just becomes part of the lesson. And real quick, our platform Rise Vision does all of this. It lets any device in the room share to any screen without any dongles to buy or to plug in. And if you want to see how it'll work in your school, you can book a free demo from the link in the description. Anyways, let's keep going. And another thing I want to mention is every display is managed from one place. That means the IT team can run the whole building without ever having to leave their desk. From a single dashboard, they can see every screen, they can make updates, They can fix an issue in a classroom remotely without ever having to walk across the building when no one's presenting. Now, I'd say the biggest reason to go cloud-based comes down to what that screen is doing when no one is sharing on. Remember, with an adapter, it's just going to sit there on a pairing screen or a logo the whole time that nobody is casting to it. But with cloud-based screen sharing that's built into a digital signage platform, that display switches back to useful and relevant content the minute that nobody's sharing to it. So between lessons, that display can show announcements or emergency alert notifications or daily schedule or student recognition. The teacher can still share their screens during the lesson, but the rest of the day, that screen is actually showing useful content rather than just a pairing logo. This way, one screen does two jobs and stays useful 24/7. And the cloud approach pays off over time because every screen you already own is doing something useful all day. The same display gives you screen sharing during the lessons and digital signage content the rest of the day. In the end, you replace what that Microsoft adapter did, and you get a lot more out of the screens that you already have. So if you want any device sharing to any screen, every display managed from one place, relevant content showing when no one's screen sharing, that's exactly what you get with Rise Vision, which is our cloud-based screen sharing platform. You can book a free demo by clicking on that first link in the subscription. And we've helped schools set up screen sharing across thousands of different classrooms. Our team will show you how it runs on the displays that you already have, so you're not going to have to be buying or replacing a single dongle to make it work again. So in closing, you can get your free demo by clicking on that first link in the description. And if you want to see exactly how screen sharing can be used across your school, then check out this video next.